Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here, and as we get into week 15, just want to go over a couple of things. As always, please be checking your grade book. Make sure you're up to date, and any missing assignments obviously need to get caught up. If you do have missing assignments or past due assignments, please do the current week, week 15, get that done before the due date so that will not be late, and then go back and start doing missing or late work. But go through your grade book, and you can access all the previous assignments. Anything that's late or missing can be turned in. If you're missing replies on discussion boards, all of that can be done. It's only worth 75% when it's late, but can be done. So week 15 here, suggested schedule that you'll see, of course, and just 2 assignments, no weekly quiz this week. Human impacts on deforestation. Now this assignment, which you can do by Google Doc or Word, we have various, you can either do it through Word or download the PDF or go in through the Google. But what this assignment is before you do any of the readings, before you look at the videos, go through the prediction guide and fill out what it asks you to do before reading. It's going to ask you to make some predictions on stuff and make some guesses and predictions. Then you do the readings. We have this National Geographic deforestation article. You'll look at this link about top 10 countries. There are actually 3 different links that talk about this top 10 countries. And then we have this National Geographic deforestation video to watch. Then once you've done all of that, then go back and complete it, do the after reading portion of it. So that's first assignment, and then second assignment is a discussion board. A little bit different this week. So we're only focused on deforestation in the Western Hemisphere. Some of the countries you're going to hear about are from the Eastern Hemisphere, but what you're going to do is that you're going to say which country in the Western Hemisphere do you think is key in the fight against deforestation, based on what you learned in the first assignment. So you're going to post what country you think, explanation, evidence. You're going to post a picture that supports that post, so it should be of that country, and kind of give some evidence of that. So you have a post and a picture, and then you have 2 replies, agree or disagree with other people, providing evidence. So a 100-point discussion board there. Okay? So make sure you are following the suggested schedule as closely as possible. Come up with your own schedule, but just make sure that you have everything turned in on time. And don't wait for the weekend to get the discussion board done, because people need posts to reply to. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll see some of you on campus on Wednesday. And with that, talk to you soon.